Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my final product. We are going to be doing a little introductory project. So for this project, we're going to be choosing an image of ourselves. It does not matter where, when. It can be an old image. If you want to do that, you can choose like a picture from when you were little, a recent picture, and then you can choose a picture of somewhere you've traveled to or where somewhere you would like to go. So you could Google it to find the somewhere you'd like to go. You could Google a picture of a beach, um, the moon, anything like that, a waterfall, outer space. Doesn't matter. Pick a background. And you're going to have to tell a little bit about yourself when you present it. So consider that when you're picking your images. And so then to start, you can either email yourself these images, upload them to your drive, or you can take a printout if it's a picture from home, and I can take a picture of it and upload it for you if you need help. Here is mine. I chose a picture of me sitting, and then this is a picture of a place that I've actually been to, which is Costa Rica. And so I just put myself in that background. And then to start for you guys, you're going to go to PicMonkey. So you're just going to Google right in your search bar, picmonkey.com. Click on it, and this is exactly where it will take you. Go to add an image, computer. Mine are already on my computer, so I'm just going to scroll down to photos, and then I'm going to go to the first image that I want to use, choose that and upload that. And then I'm going to go to add another image, which is going to be my background image this time. Oop, we want to go to photos again. Scroll back down, okay. And then this picture here, me on the beach, let's choose that. So then we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. Did that work? Oh, yep, it's there. Okay. Well, I did too. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one. Let's get this centered in the screen how you want it. And then we're going to overlay this one right on top. And then just stretch it out to fit. Don't let this project scare you at all. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just like to see you guys try your best. It is hard to get all the details perfect. So don't worry about it. And then we're gonna go to erase, and then I'm gonna increase the size just so that this doesn't take as long. And down here, you can zoom yourself in if you do wanna get those details. I am not gonna do that. And so then I'm just gonna kind of find where I'm at under here. Okay, so get a good, at least outline, because that makes it easier to start. So I'm just dragging the eraser marker all over to be able to get that outline of where I'm sitting. Okay, and then we're gonna get this leg all the way down here. Okay, and then once you have that rough outline, hold on, let me get that. You can go back in with the paintbrush, and I'm gonna size it down a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna go over top of this. If you make mistakes, that's okay. Like I just made a mistake right there. Totally okay, easy to fix. You can also change the harshness of it if you don't want it to be such a harsh line, which makes it easier to make it look like, you know, what you're doing. Because with the harsh lines, it's really obvious when you mess up. And then we're gonna come over back in here, down this way. And then once you guys finish these, we are going to present them to the class, and you're gonna tell a little bit about yourself with your image and why you chose what you chose. So while I'm doing this, I can explain to you guys. I would come up and I would introduce myself, because this is gonna be a way that we can all get to know each other, and I would say, hi, my name is Abby. This is a picture of me from this year. And I chose my background as Costa Rica because that is my favorite place that I've traveled to. And that's a rougher version of what it will look like. But again, here is my final copy if I were to spend more time on it. And that's all you have to do. It's super easy. It's super fun. And that's it.